Today we're going to start the day off with trying to figure out why this thing is going flat. See if we can find a hole on it. And if not, then I've got new tires on the way anyways. We also got to put that desk and that truck, and then we're on our way. Okay, I can't get it off, so we're just going to leave the jack and a jack's end here. I'm going to pick up a torque wrench on the way back from the shop and we'll take it off then. Okay, that's in there. And I think on the way home, I'm also going to see if I can try and get some shelves. One for the shop and one to put in here. To maybe put motorcycle stuff up on. Tools in next. Probably stop for a quick lunch break and then we'll be on our way down to the shop. Tools in. Let's go.
Nice. There's snow on the ground. He's wearing shorts.
Oh.
Yeah, need to clean up.
There's a bit more than a cleanup. Making progress. I'm gonna fill that up. Then we'll have a shop space open for us. Alright. Pretty well clean and open. This should be big enough for me and Chris to get some of our projects in here. Alright. Tools are in, mostly set up. I bought some trays today to go with my impact sockets. Just when I have more time later, I gotta go through all my sockets and sort them out into the trays. It cleans up a little bit. But aside from that, we are ready to start putting cars in and getting to work. Very excited, guys. That's as much stuff we can do in the shop tonight. Alright. Made it home. Shop completely success. I love it. Now, we're going to take that wheel off. Because now I got these bad boys. Alright, moment of truth. See why this tire is going low. Alright, I got my soapy spray. So, if we spray this on the tire, and it starts bubbling up somewhere, that's where our leak is. So, I guess that's that. Go ahead and keep ordering the 2 new tires. I mean, the only other trick I can think of is to submerge the wheel entirely and see where the bubbles are coming from, but I don't have anything big enough to submerge the tire. If you guys know any other tricks, you should let me know, because I'm stumped on this. Yeah. Afternoon, boys and girls. So, last night I found the source of my leaking tire. Insert clip here. As you can see, it is not a flat tire. It's much worse. So I cracked my wheel, so I've went around frantically on the internet trying to find something as a replacement. I found a guy in Salt Lake who's got some cheap wheels I can put on for now. They're the stock Challenger wheels off like the 2012 Challenger. Alright, we're on our way to go pick up these new wheels for the Charger. Just waiting for Sarah to get out of the bank. Alright, we are back home. It's been a long night. Sarah got herself a new guitar. It's very cool. And let me open up the garage real quick. There we go. It's going. So, I'm going to show you Challenger wheels. Nothing fancy, but they'll work. Nice. Alright, so I got the first wheel on. I'm going to put the car down, move it over so you can access all four wheels. And then we'll be pretty much good to go. You know, it doesn't look half bad with Challenger wheels. So I think what we'll do is we'll keep the lug nuts and the center cap, we'll pop those out. We'll paint the entire wheel gloss black, and then keep that center cap chrome. That'll be a good little contrast against all the black. It's a good freaking day when your hands end up looking like this.